Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. For today's video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT plugins for free. The ChatGPT plugins is not available for all. We should subscribe first to ChatGPT Plus. For us to be able to enjoy and experience these different plugins, which is available for $20 a month. So, for ChatGPT free plan users, we can use different Chrome extensions for ChatGPT as a substitute for ChatGPT's plugins. These extensions enhance our AI experience. These ChatGPT Chrome extensions can be found and searched in Chrome Web Store. You can search it according to your needs. You just select on it, click on Add to Chrome, and click on Add Extensions, and you can now use it. We have an example here, an extension for ChatGPT to summarize YouTube content. We also have extensions that uploads PDF files of ChatGPT. We have also extensions that convert text to speech.
Powerful and inspirational message that emphasizes the importance of passion.
And many more extensions for ChatGPT. And that is how to use ChatGPT plugins for free. Beginner's tutorial. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, click on the notification bell and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!